Hi again, hello everybody. Today I prepared for you a little test. It's all about additives and the characteristics of the flow if you mix the additives with a color. And for the basic I use the high level artist colors of Schmincke. This is the highest pigment what I could buy in Germany. The pouring mediums, for the pouring mediums I use from Schmincke, the Liquitex one, the Floetrol from Producttest, the PVA, Super PVA Craft Medium from Baker Ross, and the normal PVA glue from Craft Planet. So all of these ones, I will mix each one in a little glass with the color, and I will show you the flow and the characteristic afterwards of the color when it's mixed with the additive. So what I did now, I put it from each pouring medium, from each additive, I put some a little bit of a liquid on the cardboard box, and I started with the pouring medium from Schmincke. It's ready to use. It's very soft from the consistency, and I think it will work very nice. The next one is from Liquitex, you might know, and it's nearly the same like the Schmincke one, very soft. The next one is from Floetrol, from Producttest. And you see it's already a little bit bubbles inside. I will see how it works afterwards. It's very soft too, and yeah, let's see. Then I used from Baker Ross the Super PVA Craft Medium, and it's quite thick. And I will put a little bit of water inside afterwards. And the last one will be the PVA glue from Craft Planet. Very thick too, even more thicker than this Super PVA glue. So I will see how it works. Now I start to put a little bit of this Prima Acryl artist colors in each glass. In each glass 2 drops, just a little. So I can show you better later on. How it will be. So what I did now is I put about 50% to the color. I put pouring medium on top. I started with Schmincke pouring medium. The next one here is from Liquitex. The third one from Floetrol, sorry. This one is the Super PVA Craft Medium. And last but not least, from Craft Planet, the PVA glue. So I put a little bit less in this too, because it's very thick, how you can see. And the original pouring medium is soft, so I think I can mix this in a better way. And on these 3, Floetrol, Super PVA Craft and PVA glue, I think I must put some water inside. But I will see now, when I start mixing each one, how it will work and what I have to do. Okay, I started mixing the colors, and I start with the Schmincke. It's very soft, and straight away it mixed with the color, so very easy to mix this one. The Liquitex is the same, so maybe I need a little bit more of the pouring medium, so I get onto 70% pouring medium to 30% colors, because the color is very thick, you know. And this is the Floetrol. Very good to mix too. I already put from the beginning 70%, I think, and could be, no, it's not right already. I must put some more. Maybe it's a little bit water inside. With the Super PVA from Baker Ross, I'm not so happy. It's very thick. It's nothing to do with. It's not good for pouring. And the same is the one from Craft Planet, the normal PVA glue. So I must put quite a lot of more. So I already mixed the colors with the pouring medium, and I think from the Schmincke pouring medium I have now 60% pouring, 40% color, or maybe, yeah, that's right. From Liquitex I have a little bit more pouring medium to get it right, in the right consistence. The Floetrol, I put about 10% water inside to get it in the right. Oh, we'll see. The Super PVA craft medium, I put again a little bit medium and water, but it will not really work. It's not really going to get in a good consistence for me. Okay. And the last one, the normal PVA glue from Craft Planet. There I put already again water, so maybe 10% of water, like the other Super PVA. So now we will pour it out and we will see what happened. So now I'm pouring, and what I can see is maybe I've used a little bit too much of water in the Super PVA, but what I can see is the way of pouring is very nice from the Schmincke pouring medium, from the Liquitex, very good in control. The Floetrol have a little bit of some bubbles inside. This is okay, but you can see on the stick I used quite a lot of water for getting in flow. And the PVA Craft Planet is okay, but even I can see bubbles, and I think the color is not bright in these 2 or 3. afterwards when it's dry as it could be. So I will wait until tomorrow and I will see how the brightness of the color will be tomorrow. And I get the message for you. Good morning. So 8 hours are passed the next morning and the colors are dry. It looks quite good what I did. So I will explain each detail now.
So the results are very simple.
What happened to the colors. And I don't know if you can see the left side, the Schmincke, the first one, the Schmincke pouring medium and the Liquitex medium. They have a shiny surface, and the other ones, the Floetrol, it's not shiny, not really, and it's quite dry. The same with the Super PVA from Baker Ross and the PVA from Craft Planet. And even from the Super PVA from Baker Ross, you can see there is a crack in the wood stick and it's not flat anymore. So be careful with your canvas on this side. My result is very simple. I would use definitely the Schmincke pouring medium and in the same quality the Liquitex medium for the next videos and for the next tests. And they have the best results for me because I use very expensive colors, and for me it's very important to get a very good result. So thank you for watching. My next video will be about silicone, how to use it and how to mix it with this kind of colors, and of course about the cell formation. So we will see. Maybe you like to watch again. See you next time. Thank you.